Hello guys, so basically I've been thinking about how I'm supposed to get all of my things attached to the camera, or say if I was out in the car I could stick a GoPro to something inside the car without using or wasting sticky stick-on mounts. So these things, they're a bit of a pain in the ass. They clip on, they're quite hard to get off, admittedly, which is a good thing. But the downside is that you've got to use like some sort of sticky pad or something to sort of move it about or keep it in places that, like glass or windows or on some sort of plastic surface. But the problem is that inside the car you've got a lot of fabric, and if you wanted to do something inside, a video from inside the car, you're not going to be able to use this very easily. So you've got the options of getting like a pole mount or clamp thing. Probably use the same thing for like a bike handlebar or something like that. What I've been thinking, so picture the scene. You've gone to a show, or you're going to a show in your Ferrari, Lambo or adamc in your Cobra, and you need to do a vlog or an end scene, or maybe you just want something to hold your phone or something in your car without having to spend too much money. Hey, you don't get rich by spending at the end. If you stick around, I'll show you 3 other ways. I'll show you one of the ways that I've just come up with, is using these stick-on clampy things. Probably quite cheap. I think probably sort of around the £5 for 10 or something. You only really need maybe 1 or 2. What I'm going to do is, this is a camera thread, I believe 1/4 inch thread. It's quite a wide one. So what I'm going to do is weld that onto there, and then from there you can either attach a GoPro to it, so then if you wanted to say stick it to anything, you quite simply, it should be able to hold the weight, but until I've done it I'll find out. The other thing that I was needing the use of it for was this microphone that I got, the Movo VXR10. Basically it has a camera mount in the base of it, and yeah, in there. So what I was thinking was, if I have this on there, it should so your phone, and that'll be on there. You can face it wherever, doesn't really matter, but you can video. You can then also use it for the GoPro to stick it anywhere around your car. Right, so here it is, just done it. It's still probably way too hot to touch at the moment. Just going to have to put a nut on here, so that once you've screwed this in, you can tighten the nut up to the bottom so it can't undo itself. And that's about it really. That should be good enough to hold the mic on the phone. It should be good enough to hold a GoPro or anything else with a camera thread in it. GoPro mounts, camera mounts. You can even sometimes get extensions or phone holders that can screw onto that sort of mount. Alright, well I'll get back to you in a minute when this is cooled down and show you an example. Alright, so it's now cool enough to touch. Phone sideways when recording. And there we go. And that go into there. And then you just walk around, you can turn it this way. So you can have it facing you if you wanted to do blogging or however you wanted to do things. You can do that. This is a bit heavier than a GoPro. I'm not quite sure how much weight this will take. We'll find out when it falls on the floor. So you could do that and then flip the recording. There we go, another one. Flip the recording. Right, so as I said, I'd give you a few other options on how to get yourself out of this situation for the rich people out there, or the people that want a bit of a stronger clamp. If you want to get yourself out of the situation where you need to have something to hold your device or your microphone or something closer to you, this should help. Right. So you get some mole grips and a cable tie. You can also do this without welding. So you get your cable tie. And sorry GoPro, I don't really want to put you out of business. Here you go. Got your mole grips, you've got your camera or whatever else you want to use it for. Point on there, and then all you need to do is find something to clamp it to. So you can do some vlogging, go around. Hi guys, just doing a vlog. Go over here, and you can stick it anywhere in your car you want. So I hope that helps you. I'll just show you another one. So nice like that. Right, so you're in your Ferrari, you need somewhere to put your microphone or your camera. So here's the other one. Actually, I'll show you this one first. Here you go, here's your magnetic tool, mounting fixing thing. I think Ferraris might have a bit more metal to stick stuff to. Oh dear. Okay, we'll leave that one out for a minute. Have it here so you can talk. It might block your vision, so you probably have a car crash, but it'll make for good viewing, and you get 1,000 hits for a crash, especially whilst you're recording. So that's just a quick easy hack just to get yourself out of some trouble when wanting to attach stuff. Yeah, let me know what you think. Probably get a nice thumbs down. But yeah, cheers. Have a good one.